to my channel. A very happy new year to all of you. I hope and pray that you all have a very blessed 2017. Today's video is going to be a very interesting makeup haul video, but with the catch that this makeup haul video is going to be dedicated to one single brand, and that brand is Note Cosmetics. Now Note products are available only at Archie's galleries, but I did notice that now they have also started having their counters at other cosmetics shops like the multi-brand cosmetic shops, even at New You if I'm not wrong, but I'm not very sure of New You, but yes, Note Cosmetics are definitely available at all Archie's galleries and some multi-brand cosmetics shops, especially here in Gurgaon. I have seen that, so I'm sharing this with you guys. So let me start with the haul. The first thing that I have in my hand is this really beautiful, okay, it was open. This really beautiful makeup box which I was being gifted by Note. It was in a scheme that you buy products worth 5,000 and you will get this as a free gift. This is so cute, adorable, very sturdy, very good looking, and it also says I love Note Cosmetics. The idea behind doing this video is that I realized that Note Cosmetics is a very understated brand. Nobody has ever talked about this brand, though the fact is that it is such a great brand at affordable prices. How I would state it as it would be a high-end brand in the drugstore category. So it is actually a drugstore brand. It's not very expensive, but it is high-end in terms of its quality, in terms of the products that Note launches. It's an Italian brand, but the manufacturing is in Turkey. So let me start with the products that I have. Okay, the first thing that I have in my hand is this foundation. It's called the Luminous Moisturizing Foundation. They have it in 3 different categories. One is a mattifying foundation for oily skin. One is called, I think, Detoxify and Perfect Foundation, something like that. That's meant for all skin types, but for sensitive skin especially. And the one that I got for myself is meant for dry skin. It's called the Luminous Moisturizing Foundation. I got it in the shade, 05 Honey Beige. So this is the carton, and this is how the main packaging looks like. It comes in a very sleek black tube. Well, I think take a moment to appreciate the packaging of Note products. The packaging is amazing. It's very good quality. It's sturdy. It's all black. It looks pretty much like MAC, but it's, I think, really good quality. I'm very impressed with the packaging. So this foundation comes in a tube like this and a transparent cap, and this is the opening, and the shade that I have is slightly yellowish in undertone because I feel yellow foundations are really good for Indian skin people. This is how this foundation looks like. It's totally blendable. It completely gets absorbed in your skin and it looks like second skin. It gives you medium to buildable coverage, but I think I will only be using it as a medium coverage foundation because I love the effect of this foundation in one coat, and it gives a beautiful dewy sheen on your skin. It looks very nice. It gives such a beautiful glow on your skin because it's meant for drying skin, so it tends to make your skin look very healthy and glowing. And this foundation also has macadamia and sweet almond oil in it, which is such a win-win situation for dry skin people. And as far as the price is concerned, this foundation retails for 899 rupees, which I think is a great deal for such good quality foundation at this price. You must definitely give it a try, guys. The second product that I have is Luminous Silk Compact Powder, and I got myself shade 05 Honey Beige. I think it's the same shade as the foundation. Yeah, so foundation is also 05 Honey Beige and the compact is also called 05 Honey Beige. And yeah, so this is the packaging. As I said, it looks very sleek, very sturdy, very good quality, and when you open, there is a sponge, there is a powder puff underneath, and this is the main compartment where you have your compact. This one is also with a bit of yellow undertone, and I got it purposely because I want something to sort of balance out the imperfections on my face, especially my dark circles. So I'm really looking forward to trying this out, and it's actually very soft and silky. You can see it is pigmented, so it's not a transparent powder. It is definitely going to give some color to your face or some coverage. So I've just applied it over the foundation, so it sets in really well, and it's quite blendable. So looking forward to trying this out. This one retails for 850 rupees. The third thing that I have is a concealer. It comes in this cute little carton, and the shade that I got for myself is 02 Beige, and this actually comes in this kind of a packaging which looks like a lipstick, but it's actually a concealer, and this is how this concealer looks like. I like the packaging. It's really nice, compact, and this is also something which has a yellowish undertone to it. This is how the color looks like. Because it's a concealer, I actually got it a shade lighter, in fact 2 shades lighter than my original skin tone, because it's also going to serve as a highlighter for my high points. And this is also quite blendable. It easily blended into my skin, but you definitely need to set it with a compact, because any cream product for that matter needs to be set with a compact, otherwise it's going to run off and crease, so we don't want that to happen. So that's that. And this one retails for 599 rupees. Moving on, next thing, which is I think a very interesting and a very innovative product, is this BB lip corrector. Now this is something which I have heard for the first time. We have heard about lip balms and chapsticks and all those kind of stuff, but BB lip corrector, that's quite impressive. So this is the main the carton in which it comes, and it actually comes in this really cute, sleek tube, and the color which is on the tube is actually the color inside, the color of the lip corrector, and it comes with this sponge tip applicator. You just have to squeeze in a little product out and apply it over your lips. And I just do a kind of a teeny tiny swatch for you guys, because this color is barely visible. This was the darkest color. They have it in 3 colors. This one is number 03. So it's actually almost like a nude color, but it has a slight tinge of pink, or maybe you can call it a peach in it. So you can definitely apply it over your lipsticks, but this product is meant to look after your lips. It's going to take care of dry and chapped lips, and it's also going to improve the health and quality of your lips if you use it regularly. And this product retails for 749 rupees. The next item is this very interesting terracotta blusher, which also has macadamia oil, and it also comes in this packaging which is pretty much similar to the compact packaging. And this is something which you guys must see. This is how this blusher looks like. It's a very pretty peach bronzy kind of a color, if that makes sense, because I don't see any pinks or brown or orange undertones to it. It definitely looks very bronzy, peachy, and it also has a beautiful sheen. So let me just swatch this for you guys and show you. So if you guys can see, if my camera is catching, it has a beautiful sheen, very natural looking. So people who are not into very harsh highlighters, in your face obvious sort of highlighters, I think this is something which you can definitely give a try. It's perfect for daytime because you don't want very harsh highlighters during day. It looks very natural. The product is very well milled. The particles, the glitter particles are milled. They don't sit on your face. They don't look chunky. They are very, very fine. It really blends onto your skin well, and the color is really pretty. And this the number is 02 Vintage Pink. It's called Vintage Pink, but it does not have any pink tones. It definitely has peach and bronzy tones to it, and this product retails for 699 rupees. Okay guys, moving on, the next thing that I have in my hand is an eyeshadow quad. So this one is called, it doesn't have a name, it just has a number. It's 02. I will be listing all the products down below in the description box with their details, so nothing to worry. So yeah, this is how this quad looks like. It has beautiful eyeshadows. It has a very pretty rose gold pink, a bottle green, a deep berry shade, and a golden shade. These eyeshadows are not very shimmery or glittery, but they are definitely frosty. They are not matte. They are very buttery. They are very creamy, velvety. So let me just swatch these for you guys on my fingers and show you how they look like. So these are the swatches. So this one is the deep berry wine kind of a shade. It's not matte, it's not brown or black. Then this one is the muted gold shade. It is a gold shade, but it's very muted, it's very dull. Then I have a beautiful olive green sort of a shade, and then this is the very pretty rose gold pink. I think it has a beautiful combination of light and dark eyeshadows for a smoky look, for a daytime look, for basic eyes, for glamorous eyes, any sort of an eye makeup look. I think it's a beautiful palette. The colors are really pigmented, and this one retails for 650 rupees only. Moving on, I have another eyeshadow, and this is what I've been using for quite some time now. It's number 08, and it's a single eyeshadow, and I think this is the perfect brown shade that I found up till now. It's a matte dark chocolate brown, and just have a look at the pigmentation, you guys. One swipe and this is how pigmented this eyeshadow is. It's a perfect eyeshadow for a brown smoky eye, for defining your outer corners, to smoke out your lower lash line. So this is something which I will strongly recommend you guys to give it a try. Perfect brown if you're looking for. This is the shade to go for. It's number 08. Now since it's an old buy, I don't have the packaging which has the MRP. But if I have to make a guess, not a wild guess but a very close guess, then I think this is for 450 rupees. The next thing that I got in my hand is a matte moist lip gloss. Now this says it's a lip gloss, but it's actually a liquid lipstick, and this is the shade that I have with me right now. This one is called Notice Me 407. It's a beautiful, very pretty deep red lip cream. These are absolute matte lipsticks. And guys, believe me when I say this, these lipsticks are literally butter. They are so soft. It's such a beautiful experience applying these lipsticks. The one that I'm wearing today is also from the same category, and I'm just going to show you guys. It's super soft. It does not sit in your cracks. It does not feel dry on your lips at all, no matter what. It has a brilliant stay. I have been wearing this lipstick for almost 5 hours now. I had my cup of tea, I had water, I was munching, but as you guys can see, the lipstick is intact. So this is one shade which I think is a beautiful shade for all seasons, no matter what. And then the second shade that I have, the one that I'm wearing, is this one. Another superbly pretty shade, and this one is number 404 Jolly. And it's actually a very jolly shade. I mean, it makes me feel so jolly when I put it on. Oh my god, these lipsticks are butter, guys. They are so soft. And this is the swatch, and this is the actual swatch. I'm wearing it on my lips, and I'm super impressed with these lipsticks. If you guys are looking for a great matte liquid lipstick, give these lipsticks a try, guys. These are the Note Cosmetics Matte Moist Lip Gloss, and these ones retail for 650 rupees. And guys, I remember in one of my videos, I did show you guys the In Color Matte Me Liquid Lipstick, and this was actually in a video wherein I talked about products which I didn't like at all. So this was one of those. This is a lipstick which is horrible. I hate it to the core, and I did tell you guys that I will be doing a hack. I will be sharing with you guys a hack of how to use liquid lipsticks which are irritating. Hack is that I won't be able to demonstrate it right now for you guys, but I will share the hack with you guys. What you need to do is, like we always do, we apply a lip balm over our lips before applying lipstick. So first thing first, you exfoliate your lips well. Make sure that there is no dry or dead skin on your lips, otherwise liquid lipsticks can give you a nightmare. So make sure that you exfoliate your lips. After exfoliating your lips, you need to apply a good lip balm. I would recommend you guys to use chapsticks instead of very creamy lip balms, or you can also use the lip balms that Body Shop has, because they are thick. So avoid using a very runny, very thin, creamy lip balm, because that is going to make the lipstick run all over. So use a thick consistency lip balm or a chapstick. Apply this lipstick on. Once this lipstick sets, the hack is that you need to re-coat the lip balm once again over this lipstick. Like, this is something which we normally don't do. We just apply lip balm before a lipstick. But for these kinds of lipsticks which are very, very drying and which crack, you need to apply that lip balm once again, but with a very, very gentle pressure. So for instance, I've applied this lipstick on my lips, and then I take a lip balm. Just take it on your finger and very gently just tap it on your lips. So it's like a double coat of lip balm, one before the lipstick, one after applying the lipstick, and to a great extent this lipstick is going to behave itself. It will not be as drying and as cracky as it is otherwise. Now moving on with the Note Cosmetics haul, the next thing that I have is this blush. This one is called Desert Rose, and I think a lot of brands have Desert Rose named products. Anyways, this is a beautiful blush, perfect for the Indian skin tone, perfect for a red lip look, because this looks so pretty on your cheeks. And I'm just going to swatch it for you guys. This is the swatch of this blusher. These are very blendable. One swipe and they will give the color payoff pretty well. And if you guys are looking for a really what should I say, a versatile blusher, then try this shade out. It's called Desert Rose. It's a dupe for the MAC Copper Tone. I have that also, and I have this one, and I'm like equally impressed with this one. And another blush that I have is called Soft Peach, and this is how this shade looks like. It's actually a soft, very soft peachish kind of a blusher. It's perfect for very fair skin tone people, or for those who don't want too much of color showing on their cheeks, but they still want a slight hint of color. So that's the color for you guys. This is how the swatch looks like. It's a very soft, very nudish kind of a blush, but it's such a pretty shade. As far as the price is concerned, I forgot because these are an old purchase, but I think it's for 450 or 499, something like that. Moving on, the next thing that I have is okay, I have some more lip products with me. I have these two lip glosses. So let me talk about the first one. It's called a long wearing lip gloss, and this one is in the shade Sugar Pink. I am not a very big fan of lip glosses, but when I saw these ones, I could not pass it up and I got it. So let me quickly swatch the color for you guys. This is a beautiful peachy pinky lip gloss. They are actually long wearing. They stay for good 3 to 4 hours, and you can always go back and touch it up. So if you are a lip gloss person, this is a really pretty lip gloss that you guys can try out for yourself. And this one retails for this one is for 499 rupees, guys. And the other lip gloss that I have is another very pretty shade, guys. This is the one. It's a bright red lip gloss with a metallic finish to it. I think gave my heart to this color, red color with very teeny tiny shimmery or glitter particles. It's called Russian Red. Oh wow, it's called Russian Red, the very famous MAC Russian Red. That's the name of this lip gloss, and this one also retails for 499 rupees. The next thing that I have are two mascaras. So this one is the Perfect Lash Mascara. It was an old buy, so I have been using this mascara. I'm not a very big fan of this mascara because I love mascaras that give good volume, good curling and good lengthening. But for people who want very natural looking eyelashes, like I would go for fake looking eyelashes, especially when I'm going for a party or something. But for people who are into natural looking eyelashes, so this is a great option for you guys because it gives very naturally thick and naturally curled or naturally lengthened eyelashes, if that makes any sense. So basically your eyelashes will look a little voluminous than the natural one, but still it will look very natural. I don't know what I'm saying, but if it makes any sense. So that's that. So this one, I think if I'm not wrong, it was for I think $6.99 or $5.99, but it's an old buy, guys. Then lately I got another mascara which is called Ultra Volume Mascara. Now this is how the packaging looks like, and the wand is really, I hope this mascara is going to give me great volume because it has a really nice wand. This retails for 699 rupees. And yeah, the next thing that I got are these three eye pencils. So one is in black, one is bottle green, and one is silver. And these are the swatches. I just applied them and I just smudged them, but otherwise once they set, they are smudge proof. They are really soft, they glide, and they are really pigmented. So these are the swatches. These retails for these ones retail for 399 rupees each. I'm impressed. I've already used their black ball pencil earlier. This is the second time I'm using it and I'm super impressed. The last thing that I have is this beautiful nude brown nail polish. It's in the color 15 Caramel, and this one retails for 180 rupees only. So guys, this is my Note Cosmetics makeup haul and sort of a review video. I will review all the products once I use them, and the products which I've used them, I've reviewed it for them, and I'm really impressed. As a beauty blogger, as a YouTuber, it's my job to let you know guys about the products which are worth a try, worth a buy, and which are not. So this video is not sponsored guys, I have purchased everything. If you like this video, then don't forget to show it a big thumbs up, leave your comments, and do subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys very soon. Bye, take care.